Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this is the Almighty Ruler from Almighty Tools. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do this review, but this is going to be a 2-in-1 tape measure. All you're going to need to do all your measuring. This is going to give you your traditional tape, and you're going to get about 16 feet on this tape measure here, which is really nice. And what I love about this is that when you pull it out, it stays out. It's not going to retract unless you hit this gray button here, which is right up top, and that will bring it in. Now you do have a belt clip here on the back. Now it does come with a little Phillips screwdriver to unscrew here because it will take 2 AAA batteries that you'll need to put in. And then once you're in with those batteries, you're good to go to turn the unit on, and then you're greeted with some buttons here on the side. So you have your on by holding it and your off over here by holding that, and then we can fire off the laser. Now the laser will give you up to 131 feet, so way past that 16-foot mark. So we can go ahead and turn it on. And we're going to be greeted with a nice LCD screen here that is lit. And we can cycle through the units here to inches. We can go to meters, that's feet and inches. And then what we can do is lay this down on the table, fire off that red laser, hit measure one more time. And we can see that that was 19.9 inches from where this was to the unit or to the wall there. So very accurate, really nice and handy. You also have a little strap here to clip it on. So this is going to be one tool you want to keep in your toolbox to give you all those measurements, making your life so much easier, and then also still giving you that traditional tape measure. Again, I just love how you can pull it out, measure the distance here, and then if you needed to get further than 16 feet, you can use the laser. So really, overall, a very nice tape measure, one I highly recommend. Shout out to the company for gifting me this one more time. Really love this tape measure. I think you will too.